Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up email automation in ActiveCampaign to create automated marketing sequences and workflows, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete automation configuration. Step 1. Log in to your ActiveCampaign account and navigate to Automations from the main menu. Step 2. Click Create an Automation or New Automation to start building your automated workflow. Step 3. Choose how you want to start. You can use a pre-built automation recipe, start from scratch, or import an automation from the marketplace. Step 4. If starting from scratch, name your automation with a descriptive title that explains its purpose, such as Welcome Series or Abandoned Cart Recovery. Step 5. Select your automation trigger. This is the event that starts the automation, such as when someone subscribes to a list, submits a form, or makes a purchase. Step 6. Configure trigger settings, including which list or tag activates the automation and whether it should run immediately or after a delay. Step 7. Add your first action by clicking the plus icon. Common actions include sending an email, adding a tag, updating a contact field, or creating a deal in the CRM. Step 8. If adding an email action, create your email content by selecting a template or designing from scratch. Write compelling subject lines and email copy. Step 9. Add additional steps to your automation by continuing to click the plus icon. Build a sequence of emails with appropriate wait times between messages. Step 10. Include conditional logic by adding if-else actions. This allows you to split your automation based on contact behavior, such as whether they opened an email or clicked a link. Step 11. Review your automation flow in the Visual Builder to ensure the logic is correct and all steps are properly connected. Step 12. Set your automation to active when ready to launch or leave it as a draft for further testing and refinement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.